कि राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष, राष्ट्रीय मुख्य आयुक्त के साथ यहाँ के उप मुख्यमंत्री आज के मुख्य अतिथि। चलो चलो चलो। Bharat Scouts and Guides to escort the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and I request all other guests to take a seat on the dais. I request all of the guests to take a seat on the dais. Chandal, Chief National Commissioner of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Today, Bharat Scouts and Guides has a glorious history of its 75 years of existence in the country. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister will review आज के मुख्य अतिथि the parade of the marching contingent करते हुए आप सलामी मंच की ओर। Thank you, sir.
नमस्कार, अभिवादन, New Year's greetings, scouting and guiding salute to all. Vanakkam, Putandu, Nalwal Tukal, Anev, Rukkum, Sarna Sarni salute. Bharat Scouts and Guides, Very Mutam, Jubli, Jampuriam, Ungle, Varve Kiren, Muthamej, Arigner, Dr. Kalingner, Satabdi Jamburi, Ungle, Varve Kiren, Varlaru, Nagarman, Tiruchi Mil, Ungle, Varve Kiren. Friends, it is with great pride and immense joy that I extend a heartfelt welcome to all who are present here at the Diamond Jubilee of Bharat Scout and Guides and Muthamej Arigner Dr. Kalingner Centenary Jamboree. This year marks a truly significant milestone in the history of our organization as we celebrate 75 years of commitment to youth empowerment, community service and nation building activities. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Udayanidhi Stalin ji, Honorable President Bharat Scouts and Guides Dr. Anil Jain and Madam Vandana Jain, Lady President BSG, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Karnataka, Shri D.K. Shivakumar sir, Honorable Speaker Karnataka Legislative Assembly Shri U.T. Khader, Honorable Minister of School Education and President Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scout and Guides Thiru Mahesh Anvilji, Honorable Thiru K. N. Nehru, Minister for Municipal Administration, Honorable Thiru Thangam Thenarusu, Minister for Finance and Environment and Climate Change, Honorable Thiru Ma Subramaniam, Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Honorable Shri P.G.R. Sindhia, Secretary General, President in Council, Bharat Scout and Guides, Honorable Secretaries, senior officers of the government of Tamil Nadu, Madam Jayashree Muralidharan, Secretary Social Welfare, Madam Madhumita, Secretary Education Department, Government of Tamil Nadu, Honorable Jyothimani, Member of Parliament, Karur District, Honorable Durai Vaiko, Member of Parliament, Trichy District, Madam Prathanna Liangate, Vice Chairperson of APR, young, energetic and enthusiastic, Shiru Pradeep Kumar, District Collector and Jammu Chairman, Mr. G. Aravali, State Chief Commissioner Tamil Nadu, distinguished guests, dignitaries, Scout, Guides, leaders from BSc, Bojam, WEX, and my dear Scout, Guides, Robbers and Rangers. Friends, it gives me immense pleasure to announce that grandson of our founder Baden Powell is with us. David Baden Powell, 5th Baron of Gilwell. He is here to witness this Jamboree, and from all Scout and Guides, I urge you give him honor by having a scouting clap. Announcer may announce for the scouting clap.
Let's go! David Baden Powell.
Ladies and gentlemen, today as we gather at this Jamboree, firstly we pay tribute to towering personality in Tamil Nadu's history, the late M. Karunanidhi ji. I have an opportunity to meet him personally. We remember him not only for his political acumen and leadership, but also for his enduring contribution to literature, to social justice, and to the cause of equality. He was affectionately known as Kalengar and Mutham is Arigner. He was a Tamil scholar and artist. These titles reflect his substantial contribution to Tamil literature and culture. His literary works include stories, plays, novels, and detailed multi-volume memoirs, all of which have embraced the Tamil literature. As we celebrate this Jamboree, let us draw inspiration from Karunanidhi ji's life and legacy. Let us continue his work in creating a society that values equality, respect diversity, and uplift all its members. Let us remember Mr. Karunanidhi not only as a leader but as a visionary who changed the contours of history for the state of Tamil Nadu and India. Sir, on behalf of entire Bharat Scout and Guides family, I welcome and congratulate Honorable Chief Guest Thiru Udayanidhi Stalin, Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Honorable Sir, your guidance, we have received a new direction, a renewed enthusiasm, a new wave of excitement and a surge of energy. We are all elated and delighted by your presence. Your arrival has filled this Jamboree with happiness, cheer, joy and excitement. We are grateful for your presence here, sir. Now I urge our Scouts and Guides present here to pay a standing ovation in the honor of our chief guest, Thiru Udayanidhi Stalin, Deputy Chief Minister Tamil Nadu. Announcer may announce all to stand up and give standing ovation to our chief guest.
आज के मुख्य अतिथि माननीय उप मुख्यमंत्री तमिलनाडु को एक जोरदार ताली बजाएंगे। स्काउट गाइड क्लब्स को जबरे बैठ जाओ।
We also welcome and congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Thiru D.K. Kumar, and Speaker of Karnataka Legislative Assembly, Thiru U.T. Khader. It is often said that once a scout, always a scout. Sir, by participating in this program today, Mr. Shiv Kumara sir and Mr. Khader sir, you have turned this saying into reality. Your presence here has bolstered our morale, and we are all overwhelmed with joy on your being part of this program. Honorable guests, you will notice in the Jamboree that scouting is a story of spirit. Scouting is a story of passion. Scouting is a story of zeal. You will further feel that every scout has a spirit within him, a determination to achieve, a passion to reach his goal, and enthusiasm to attain it. Ladies and gentlemen, Scouting oath is unparalleled in itself. There is hardly any other organization in the world that takes an oath from every member that states, "On my own honor, I promise that I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people and to obey the Scout Guide laws." What could be a better and greater pledge than this? With this oath, a Scout emerges as a better citizen, a noble individual, a diligent learner, an exemplary student, and a strong personality. Living life openly, playing games, group games, participating and cooking in the camps, taking part in adventures, being prepared to handle emergencies, helping others, and behaving as a good citizen. This is the essence of Scouting, and Jamboree is an opportunity to showcase all this. From 7th of December 2024 to November 7, 2025, we are commemorating our Diamond Jubilee, and grand celebration begins today right here in Trichy. This Jamboree is an exceptional moment for all of us, a gathering of over 20,000 scouts and guides across India, alongside international participation from Asia Pacific region. This event embodies the very essence of our shared values and commitment to global unity and harmony. Thiru Mahesh Anvil, Minister of School Education and President, Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scout and Guides. Sir, your leadership and vision have been instrumental in bringing this event to life and ensuring its success. Sir, we are deeply grateful for your steadfast support throughout this period. During this week-long event, participants will not only engage in skill-building activities but also forge lasting friendships, experience the joy of cultural exchanges, demonstrate their leadership, campcraft, teamwork, and from exhilarating competitions to thrilling hikes, from music and folk dances to skill demonstrations, the Jamboree will be an experience of a lifetime. At its core, the Jamboree is about more than just competition. If it is about building character, strengthening the spirit of service, promoting the values of discipline, patriotism, peaceful coexistence. It is about fostering an inclusive environment where young people can grow intellectually, socially, emotionally while contributing to their communities and creating a better world for all. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. G. Arivoli, the State Chief Commissioner of Tamil Nadu, for his leadership and support in organizing this event, as well as to Thiru Pradeep Kumar, enthusiastic young man who has been seen throughout this period, District Collector of Trishnapalli District, for his dedicated efforts in ensuring the smooth logistics and infrastructure arrangement for success of this Jamboree. Our deepest thanks also go to Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, his cabinet ministers, all the government officials who have worked tirelessly to support the Bharat Scout and Guides and making this event possible in such a short time frame. Sir, this all has been done within a period of 1 month, which is quite impossible. Rovers, rangers, leaders to continue serving their communities, upholding the ideals of peace, unity and service, and contributing to the growth of a stronger and more vibrant Bharat. Sir, changing the direction of winds, that is what Scouting is. May the sun of hope always shine brighter. This is the hope of Scouting. There is hero within everyone. This is the possibility of Scouting. Jamboree is a game like this, my friends, a game that brings joy in life, a game that brings joy in doing. In 3 corners, we created this game, Jamboree, with the help of all of you. Let the storm come, let the whirlwinds arrive in the life of youth. We created a game like this, Jamboree. This is Jamboree of Scouting. Mind dedicated, body dedicated, all this life dedicated. I want to give something more to the land of my country. That is the spirit of Jamboree. मन समर्पित, तन समर्पित और ये जीवन समर्पित मैं चाहता हूं देश की धरती तुझे कुछ और भी दूं। यह है जम्बूरी की भावना, यह है जम्बूरी का स्पिरिट। फ्रेंड्स, यू आर हियर इन दिस जम्बूरी इन द हिस्टोरिक सिटी ऑफ त्रिची। Like 7 wonders of the world, this Trichy has also got 7 unique features. Sir, Trishnapalli is one of the Tamil Nadu's oldest inhabited cities with settlements dating back to Sangam period. Neighborhood of Uriyar, part of modern day Trishnapalli, serves as capital of early Cholas for 600 years, right from the 3rd century BC. City name also figured in the famous Ptolemy's book on geography in 2nd century BC, and the Kallanai Dam located 18 kilometers away from the town. This is the world's oldest surviving dam, constructed in 2nd century BC. The Trishnapalli rock fort is one of the oldest rock formation on earth, estimated to be 3.8 billion years old. These formations are even older than Greenland and Himalayas. Located at Srirangam, the temple is dedicated to reclining form of Hindu god Vishnu and is noted as the largest functioning Hindu temple in the world. Similarly, the largest Shiva temple in the world, that is in Trichy. I once again extend my warmest welcome to everyone present. I wish you all enriching and memorable experience during this Diamond Jubilee Jamboree. May this event be a source of inspiration for the future and a demonstration to the power of youth in shaping the world. The true purpose of scouting is not the trace of comfort, but pulse of meaningfulness. That is the Jamboree. Not the taste, but at last, Trichy is the best livable city in Tamil Nadu. And also Trichy is the cleanest city in Tamil Nadu. So my dear scouts and guides, please do not leave any dirt or garbage. Respect the city for its cleanliness and livability. Trichy में आई है बहार और हम सब है जम्बूरी को तैयार। एक बार ये स्लोगन लगाइएगा, लोगों का जोश होना चाहिए। ट्रिची में आई है बाहर, हम सब हैं जम्बूरी को तैयार। आई एम ट्रिची है।
बोलिए, मैं बोलूंगा त्रिची में आई है बाहर, आप बोलेंगे हम सब जम्बूरी को तैयार। त्रिची में आई है बाहर, त्रिची में आई है बाहर, त्रिची में आई है बाहर। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय जम्बूरी, एंजॉय जम्बूरी, एंजॉय जम्बूरी स्पिरिट। ननंड्री मटुट्टुम, जय हिंद, जय जम्बूरी, जाम्पोरियन, आनंदम, अनुभवी, विचुकल। थैंक यू वेरी मच।